Top priority: money is oxygen for choices. Financial success is not a matter of luck or genius. It's a matter of consistent application of proven principles. The principle underlying this concept is simple but powerful. Clarity leads to action, action leads to results, and results lead to confidence. This cycle, repeated over time, transforms your financial situation. Start by understanding the core principle deeply. Most financial advice fails because it's applied superficially. People follow rules without understanding why those rules work. When you understand the underlying logic, you can adapt the principle to your specific situation. You can recognize when to apply it and when to modify it. This flexibility is crucial because personal finance is personal. What works for someone else might not work for you. Implementation requires a system. A system is a set of repeatable processes that produce consistent results. For financial management, your system might include weekly budget reviews, monthly investment contributions, quarterly goal assessments, and annual strategy updates. The specific components matter less than the consistency. A mediocre system followed religiously will outperform a perfect system followed sporadically. Track your implementation. Create metrics that tell you whether you're making progress. These metrics should be specific, measurable, and relevant to your goals. If your goal is to increase net worth, track it monthly. If your goal is to reduce debt, track the balance and the interest paid. Numbers don't lie. They reveal whether your actions are working. Adjust based on feedback. If your metrics show progress, continue. If they show stagnation or decline, investigate. What changed? What assumptions were wrong? What external factors intervened? Make small adjustments and measure again. This iterative process ensures continuous improvement. Subscribe to Finance Wise Insight for more actionable strategies.